Ali, come ready. Hit rawan ako na boret sa sound. Asan sang yeghariyaga Robert Tarak ni Pera, Iyang sumok na melody. Daga amay goodness one, binlakad ang madagay. May sikitim lakad ka na mali. Ela ay iyatan mo ang tokat
Request number. Dokument sa mga gitlo. Kameral di Bombay. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before a storm. I know it's been coming for some time. so to say, in a regular sunny day, I know it's shining down like water. Hey, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain inside. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes to the sacrifice. Oh, I know, you can't stop, I wonder. Have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Keep up, keep up. Ooh, yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain inside. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the sacrifices go. I know, I can't stop, I wonder. Oh, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yeah.
Silvata tangaramong Mariayus au elayon Magnet Rekegede Nadilwaise Oilayang Emomagnit Nemagru Ilewaise Magnet Ayamakli Everly Saul, don't you let
Ngaraard at flor el qura ay bilyon.
Ali, Kamamur, Mukabregan, Motoda Raffle Theater Review. I'm gonna get another raffle ticket and ooh. Our next prize is a $25 cash prize. So, $3 pa alo. Or you need to buy some snacks on your way back to Koror. This might be for you. All right, the lucky ticket number is 558184. Thank you to all our volunteer judges and our special judges that are here today. Thank you guys very much for making time. We can ask our judges to come and take a seat up here, up front in this tent. Again, we have some seating up here in the front of the tent for the judges, so you can make your way over to the tent over here. Thank you very much. So, just a little cultural history about taro. Alright, so I am here with contestant number 3. Sebab kami luas, wadikan. Yori kami luas yang Ngaraard alsem. Mo otang klem luas yang kami erkel lerde egore o aiso sen Ngaraard.
Alay palangin swel mga kamkla destiny et pisong or mariut. Etel da ba war mama ngara elsela ngaringan leladait el ataladait imugurs shongang garlic this manira ma special el salt mama el Himalaya rock salt. It's really healthy and it's really good. Malungila budengel. It's very good for the body, very nutritious and dagat all vegetables, vegetarian. Mama malgotel summer yaring al tangating nalagyan Ngaraard. Le ruol leather ruol del may ulum kakalat ra umot maklela ikal kukaw. Le ikal gait se mulmem planteringi or dalmi ikal tel amo ong rawleringi. En al adaladay tel mo kliunget el alang. En kal dilse kal aberdil asabel dire kal odimet el ngasul. Ekat mo aro dir alaladay emo ngikli emo uruwar aliw selmen mo kata ebil emo umuwa ongorongor may mo kata ko sir emal mo ungil uyati en tovak mal lungil damok el national disk Ergider Albelau. Thank you. Malungila asili magembongar.
Alright, can we give them a big round of applause? Contestants number 3, Destiny and Karus. Alright. Oh, sorry, Ngariut and Karus. And I'll just give a quick English translation for our visitors that are here today. They were saying that they're very proud and happy to be representing their home state of Ngaraard because the taro plant, you can take different parts of it to make different things, like the root crop itself, the decorum, is a hongrao, or what we consider a starch side to go with any kind of protein. And then you can also use the leaf, the young leaf of the taro can be used to make lasur, and then the stem can be used to make alang, which is a dessert, a type of dessert. And then mix it with some fresh coconut, and you get a really good taro leaf soup or the Alright, we're here with contestant number 2. Can you throw no otak them? Wasa mo komple era ngaraad and ngaraad yun ito.
Ali, nakakya ka, Doralin. Nakamunti, labalo ko, sa trabaho mo. So, kung tuloy labalo rado mo, kaya marami say, maya, ada italbe, len lo bangal al adal. Esel ome, atop titel al adala, ada itu kur, emo barege, emo kuralen, makasuko salen, hindi ka dilunsa. Selbang malungan seringi, kamalungan seringi, tal sigang, magdol, erun sigang, alotong darsel, geka daringi. Kaya ongede, dalya darame ladis, ebiyos seringi, 40 minutes, ino ko mamala seringi. Adi nga asil siya, kadile laday, maal adal, madarame ladis, ma-seringi, hindi katin.
Alright, can we give a big round of applause to Dorali, contestant number 2, representing Kuabes. And she was explaining the process of harvesting the taro and preparing it, the prep before you make the soup. So she was saying that she go to the taro patch and harvest the crop, then you cut off the stem, the leaf from the stem, and boil them down separately for 2 hours so that it removes that the chemical in the plant that makes the mouth itchy. And then you chop it up, throw it together in a pot with some coconut milk and put whatever kind of seasoning you like. So for her, hers is also vegetarian. There's no protein inside. All right, thank you, Dorali. And we are here with contestant number 1. Sabi mo utak them, sa second rangalan and para nilipang.
Ali, makakla ka Marnel, nakakapirangkap lang. Ako, ewan ko na, ulisay, ewan mo na, di, nanay, may sugos, esmo siraran, sirang. Ngaraard, emo madamdel. Ako naman, lang, pero adis, masar,
Esel kotalas ng monyadan nila.
isa walas na mga adis.
Enamo.
Pero,
Yati hatiin.
sakya na katin.
Thank you!
Alright, let's give her another big round of applause. Again, representing the Palau. And she's the youngest contestant in our Demok contest today. So please, let's give a big round of applause to all of our youth of Ngaraard that are here to prepare and serve you guys some delicious Demok in celebration of the 4th Demok Festival. Welcome, Ramo, ready to serve. Okay. Oh, and she was also explaining the process of going to the taro patch and collecting the root crop, separating the young leaves, upper leaves, and and the term this means pure coconut milk, so freshly grated and
Get the food.
and squeezed through a cheesecloth. That's the purest coconut milk, and then that's what they put into the soup to make the base. All right, home number ready? Okay, nung mga tatele la chachali. Okay, so. Alright, at this time we're going to ask our special judges, our 5 special judges to come up first and open up the line. You can go ahead and taste in any order or in the order of your paper 1, 2, and 3. And then once you've done your scoring, you can pass your score sheets to Lori here in the red shirt.
Ay, gawin mo yung malilalo, mister. Oo, ay, saan mo to? Kung may bulate, mas maluman. Nakawin ang tinakangya? Eh, ayak. Oh, okay. Kaya ka
So again, we have contestant number 1, Garingen, representing the Palau. We have contestant number 2, Dorali, representing Ngabog. And we have contestants number 3, Ngariut and Taru, representing Alap. Okay, it's open to all the other volunteer judges. Come on over and grab yourself a cup of Demok soup, our national soup, but also the staple steak dish of Ngaraard. We also want to say a special shout out to the aunties, Kuabes and aunties that maaso nila nagsasakay tarang mga gulay and the book. Thank you to the aunties for passing on the cultural knowledge to our youth.
Clear.
I was trying to think of what we could compare the milk to, kind of other soup, but I was gonna say clam chowder, but you know what? You really cannot compare the milk because it could be vegetarian or it could be seafood or you could put even pork in there. So it's very one of a kind. It's very one of a kind. So if you're here today, make sure you come by and taste the. Of course, we have the judging, but after all the judges have gotten the taste of the soup, it's open to the public for anyone who wants to come and try. All right, so while the judging is going on, we're going to give it back to the band to give us some songs. And after the contest, they'll do the tallies, and then we'll be able to announce the winner. We also have a special dance performance prepared, so stay tuned for that. Ano kan nakaloon, Ryan? Taksam.
This place is just crawling with fire. I'm just saying that
gets another song. I just wanted to announce what they have here at the Demok Inc. So if you're here visiting, make sure you come and check out Demok Inc. for some local flavors. They have sabaw, they have tamol, they also have sinigang. They have pugao or taro, purple taro, yellow taro. They also have aloy tilkin, which is basically our Palauan clam chowder. It's better than clam chowder. It's coconut cream. We also have pet nganyaman mga donsen, pet dan lura dan lura kaza, dan mga donsen mga Kanya anuon belaw, alwa malbras, makaboy, ila kang ariatung, ano ba kami?
Namo dia.
Oh, nakakami. Kanya bring, mabobay, okokon, misyel, ila kang aria kalbobay, makalukot kalilong. Again, if you want to try some local flavors, come over to the big hut over here at Demok Inc. and check out all the local foods that they have for you today.
President Mason Hideos of Dingabugot Inc., as well as Vice President Lori Malabera Stage. Hala the Bertel, backdrop kami. And we're going to award the winners of the Youth Demok Cooking Contest. We also want to ask Honorable Ambassador Andy. Correction, we want to ask Chef Katsuyama of Embassy of Japan to come upstage, as well as Honorable Sharp Saguma, Governor of Ngaraard State, to come for the awarding of the Demok contest. Okay, so in fourth place for participation, we'd like to award limang. Click ma, nom teeraw limang. Man nom sao lel no sab el lolia effort teringi, manggayam lo fourth place. Click ma. Am ngarang mo ligay ka stage. Click ma. Oh, comment, hindi na solo nita, speaker, Marcy Andrew, olbati Ngaraard, malumera stage, nga siya sing volunteer tiragal. At klabol, ngaya sa karabalo ng Ngaraard, nosobin mo sa his birthday del Demok contest. All right, let's give her a big round of applause. And in third place, with 245 points, goes to contestant number 1, representing Gaclao, Karingen. All right, let's give her another big round of applause. And in second place with 246 points, congratulations to Ngabord, Dorali. Dorali representing Ngabord. Adeula, Dorali is currently preparing to come out and dance. They're fixing her hair. Kadolingit raum tera Dorali, melibera stage, el mutay del price ra second place. Sulang. All right, and in first place with 265 points, please give a big round of applause to Alab, Representing Alab, we have Ngariut and Taru. Adiula. They're also fixing their hair because they're gonna come and dance, so we're gonna ask someone to represent. We have their mother here. All right.
Yay! Let's go Alab! Woohoo!
Fourth place representing Limang was Click. Third place representing Gaclao was Caringel with 245 points. Second place representing Abuld was Torali with 246 points. And in first place representing Alab with 265 points was Ngariut and Taru. Let's give them all a big round of applause. Fourth place prize was $50. Third place was $100. Second place was $150. And first place was $200. All right. Thank you to everyone who took time out of their day to come to the Demok Festival, and all of those judges, our special judges and volunteer judges. We're going to give it back to the band to get one more song, and then we'll prepare our first dance performance for today from the Ngaclao Pride Dancers. Ali mongat mokla sanggiw, komla to torak laududiw. Ali maldir kagya karay tat change pander tiagid. Matsumoko ba okay matlug em utakal por ay kal vendor em chenchen mo tala. Oh, alpap tala mandiungin. Cloud Pride.
I'm gonna move.
Botol na sanggim! Lagi bawang!
Ing nangulong ang nungkasaw Madalang mabalong magabi Obra ora arale Mampusay ko selma Abala ale Cha-cha Denmark, Neproy, do you want to stop?
Alam ko parew le, tim nakala ko maig. Sa ba min mo parew?
Ma'am, patuloy ako.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
2.
2, 1, 2.
Pura de masari left, PCM, kita tu, PCM, kita tu. Diwe bareu. Senta, orung, atsu, nasari.
Ikan lagi rote tamarin kalat telokap saen. Melarap torno borabe mangasage sarang alagen. Engi amaramba yang alaklam lila bitalang. Mamla taray heratik mo tiyalo maralang mo. Maldalal waise kabilul niyat mo. Amaralaman tenalegi malat kang iloolyon. Matulad mo bento akit yaya alakamay. Matatilo ang kalmero tutiya makamay.
Atsu, nasari.
Malatuta makamay at mga kaprobor. Sabihin na kau makalak emblo alakamay. Takaw makamadalo laban ilalendim lakabas. Malim na mga laleleng makamay.
Atsu, nasari.
Malaraan sa makamat, mabaal kay nilay. Limla ka lamatin, di ba nangela alta at arari. Mama araate, tanggang masura, patangyeling iyo, prida isen moray badu.
Atsu, nasari.
Malang say badu, lengmila karara, tabet mo taroy ay kalkalyo, lamaro hotel. Malmalakain na ito siya alasara. Awal magadul na pa rin. Dilot mong atoy ka.
Atsu, nasari.
Tasiyaan siya to'y kaayat mo. Matyaga se matyabo se mantlela surabi. Mapatakalat ka kau mga ganda ka na kau subes. Maran nga se era ara kau mga.
Dan mas. Neproy, di one stop.
Can I get this out of here? This.
Hawaii. my heart go boom boom. When will she ever stop to say hello, my brown skin island girl? What can I say to make you turn my way? What can I do to make you feel my blue? My sexy girl, I've been waiting for you, baby. So sexy pretty lady passing by my crib makes my heart go boom boom. When will she ever stop? My sexy girl, I've been waiting for you, baby. So kill it, kill it. Ang sa mga rangga, ang sa mga ikaw. Ang sa mga rangga, ikaw, log ikaw. Ang sa maaw, ay marmerat putaw. Lava mais say, by the say. Them say.
Komeman, Namasus.
Komeng ako ka nervous. Akti mo smoothie sel matomato ng trigal ngal karang kaklaw. Akti mo malukot to bela wakoram titul malukot ngil to kang barka. Sel matomato ng tira a story rang kaklaw, story rang ngir oteut. Ngir oteut ako talmle bege wal ruba karang kaklaw. Matamil lo ngil mong talokap sa el. Aul mong talokap sa el ar adaro ko yap sa ira ko ramral merio. Engi ako aposit leng mlebege wal ruba. Matarak sa yang karuba ka mlarap tol mga skes rang alegel yang iway rang alegel. Engi ya marama yang alakla mlara makamat. Matamo mga maol to akartir matamay. Engoyer ratil mo ngarang aringi. Matamaw ay singil wasagi mamalarang ariul oriyor. Bulgulak mo tamlaw makamother oriyor. Mang maol tuak artire waset yaigit via argamais. Matama tuak lamatakaw makamade nga maljul bang alegele o makamaf. Mabo almerek eng blokat sangir otel tamang mara blaro otel tamang masur abadengel eng iya oprida isel el moray badul. Malrang sa ibadul ang although aldabe el merang kaklaw mata odasiya alduk lelbad almlo otoy ga ang anklel masal do bang ngarayo ol el mera briber di alang seral mebo faeng lemridi mongkura namuda ka desa ngding ndir ka ngarse ma seral odasiya sel alduk kalbad eng dira kalul durok la tolbora kalyol el mel moklok lirar adarang kaklaw masayit ako ra story behind their sel matomatong rangir ote oto sulang.
Hello mga ikalseng. Madalutom sa Cloud Protang, Cloud Pride! Sulang ang aldersen manungil omsodet yan matamato. Ay kayo dasang kamlame. Nangya $10 simlara Maria Hobson, $10 simlara legislator Tamingil, $20 simlara speaker Andrew, $20 simlara legislator Shiro Kanay, $20 simlara Miss Joe Tiob, $20 simlara Pauline Igea, $20 simlara Susan Malsol, $35 simlara Din Ngabud Inc., $100 simlara First Lady Lisa Rodial, madrigal $10 simlara Esther Salvador mas Senator Telams. Oh, may kabebin. At sanggam namin hana ingay sa mahen sa ingay sa $20 each. Ma $20 sa legislator Leo. Ma $10 sa oyal ingais. Ita dira kal sanggira ardin nga buod. Eko mal masulang al $150. Alright, madaluto basta Cloud Protang, Cloud Pride. Kung na ready, ada katungwawan alitak karaban. Okay. Halada askar adraband malmay elbiskida tara alitak eguk langat mokerti tiray del Ngaraard 541.
Handsome prince from Alabama.
Okay, mga tuklas ang giw, tiray ng nasa 30. Please give a big round of applause to Ngaraard 451. Oh, sorry. 541 komeng. After kasmara 824.
bidi bum bum, gadi bum bidi bum bum, gamara bum bidi yung gadi I say, gadi bum bidi bum bum, de bum ya gadi bum bidi bum bum de bum. Oh yeah, yamani gawe, ye gamana matama ale, gadi bum soro, di bum soro. Yamani gawe, ye gamana matama ale, gadi bum soro, di bum soro. Yamani gali kama mesargi, yamaran madu ulame sargi, korang madu argi, yamaran madu argi. Gasay lang elam me mo ang nagelo ade elam mga batang, iyo mo nag-aagaw na. Yamani gawe, ye gamana matama ale, gadi bum soro, di bum soro, kamara kamara yung bitan I say, yamani gawe. Ye gamana matama ale, gadi bum soro, di bum soro. Ye gabata aw, ye mora bap mora yung mabetal I say, gamesang, gadi bum bam, abata bata aw, mora bap mora yung mabetal I say, ye kung gibe idul mustiya, ye baby, yamani gawe, ye gamana matama ale. Gadi bum soro, di bum soro, yamani gawe, ye gamana matama ale. Gadi bum soro, di bum soro. Yaman ngali kamaloy kamariyo, e busuta kamaloy kamarabang. Walang madu arandi, yaman madu arandi. Gasay lang elam mo ang yelo de elam mga matang. Niyo wala na anaw na. Yamani gawe, ye gamana matama ale, gadi bum soro, di bum soro, kamara kamara yo bitay I say, yamani gawe, ye gamana matama ale, gadi bum soro, di bum soro, di bum. Proud. gentleman. Gentleman.
All right, let's give another big round of applause to Ngaraard 541. Alam ko nga niya wala sa tiyungel tiyal sir, kamlut ma o singing mortal stage.
Ali, masaya adil mar adam mar okyaksang mau sa amaliwe. Elgor odo sa bata akterir tigal dancers el baskets el tiro am kodo ngil base ang kliungel tial sil sa Demok Festival magidaro ko. Como taka nga mama min super tial de luz pe at 3 hours na kasus magibang baregen talklo. Leng maringal adal kliyaw magi ko radio lamay barengil malay barengil lamal bol tarngil mol. Oy, kita mereka saul te al radin ngabu dan misteri dat eli dan ngelget mang toba plakare mak plamariare el masu baikal tele daradal belau kon man masal. Dia tidak kakotol smart termal kan orang. Oo, ai mo rata nga mata nga mo buray gelol to dia plus 541 al clear.
mo'y ngalang moring irangahan Hekamugal buhay maralong lahat Omong ngalang yendoon bitana Momdalaw lugang yang marasuaha Seldan nalakaran magkakarendi Toderat mong yentaan Ako na mo ang singayarong uwak mo Yang malalong ilalan Momes pagigiyang Karaik na mugalasan Modangil kong akterangaw Karaik na mugalasan Nagalay isahaw Karaik na mugalasan Modangil kong akterangaw Karaik na mugalasan Nagalay isahaw Turkan ugara Belakaw Kami magulukoy Yang aligang barang Ngarangiyal Kakalabing ete Sangbet ketagan Nesang aswar Babang yang barong umulgoori Malaugan ko Karal magigalu Mga daw subasiriye Hemma orangara Para ekamugalatan Modangin kong akterang